ja siia ma ei pane.
Okay, hello, yellow. We are
Tere,
live.
hello, good.
This
Hello,
is the
everybody.
long drive.
We're
Yes.
doing a Mr. Bean car.
Yes, this is the long drive.
We're doing a car trip with Mr. Bean's car. He let us borrow it, so it's good.
Yes.
So let me put the fuel. Let me put the fuel in.
Why is the fuel?
Okay, I need oil now. No, don't go. You need oil, bro, you dumbass.
Shit doesn't even move.
Oh, bro, you need oil, you dumbass. Now it works.
What a
Look at
beautiful
this.
world. Is that a landmine? Wait, wait.
Yo, close the goddamn door.
Wait, I'm not in the car.
Yep, come in. Yo, what the hell?
Okay, yo,
Come in
drive
the car,
like
man.
yes.
You're in? Oh shit.
Did the gas just did the gas
Hey, bro.
just run out?
Hey!
Oh yeah, go.
Oh shit. The wrong way.
Yo.
Yo!
What?
You're moving the goddamn car.
No, I'm not. Shut up. Let's move. Oh, what the hell? This is a really wobbly ride, bro. Like, can you chill? Like, what the hell?
Ah, damn, bro. Press C, bro. Press C.
See?
C, yes.
Hola!
Hoist your hand out of the car, bro.
Ah,
The white.
then boy, you're a bad driver, like actually, bro.
But no, bro. Chill. I wasn't out of the window yet, so the car is not moving. Oh,
Turn the car on, bro. You want?
yo, it's on, bro.
Imagine.
No, it doesn't go.
I'm
Let's
not
go.
in the car. I'm
Come
not
in the car,
in.
then.
Give me a
Come
second.
in, bro.
Wait. Give me a second. Let me just. I think that will help a bit. I think this will help. I think this will help, bro. You want some of this? I think this will help.
We need
Yes.
oil. Not that much gas, goddamn.
Do you need? Oh, you need oil? Got it. So there's some oil. Yes. Where is it?
I need some eating,
Ow.
bro. What's my fridge doing, bro? Oh my god.
Hello.
Oh!
Come You cheating! You put God mode on.
Holy shit. Holy hell.
You're a cheating little. This is a bad episode. What
What the hell is
happened?
this, bro? What is
Okay,
this?
this is the worst episode.